scale of 10 अगर आपको rate करना हो तो?
Well, I would rate this 10. It's a brilliant film. It's like a picture perfect film.
और Ranvir?
Ranbir, you mean? Ranbir is fabulous. He's amazing. He's very good, very confident. He's done a very good job. I'm very proud of him.
Okay, Neil, tell us about your looks. आज आप के looks के बारे में बताएं.
Well, I'm trying to be cool, as always. There's something new that I'm doing.
And would you like to do the price tag of it? The prices of it?
Nope, I'm not going to say a price of it. It's very low though.
Yeah, one more, yeah? Yeah. Thank you. जी लगी सर फिल्म
बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया
ऑन स्केल ऑफ 10 अगर आपको रेट करना हो तो
10 out of 10
और सर चिल्ड्रंस डे आ रहा है 14 नवंबर को स्पेसिफिक प्लान्स कुछ गिफ्ट या अपने
sorry
चिल्ड्रंस डे is coming on the 14th any specific plans or any surprises
nothing I always love children I'll do everything that I can for the young generation of this country
was it 3 most important things lined up abhi 3 most important things
it's not an interview
पीछे संभालो
sometime back only so that's it
excuse me आगे जा तुषार आगे जा you sit down here just remove all these things tushar fabulous absolutely on a scale of 10 if you want to rate superb
Tell us what you thought of the film.
Fantastic, it's unbelievable.
And how are the two actors? The two new talents?
They're brilliant, both of them.